Hey everybody, and welcome to your homework for AP Language tonight. I'm happy to see you and happy to see you tuning in. Now, tonight's term is called an allusion, and magicians use illusions, but that's spelled with an I. Maybe you noticed on the title screen of the video that this allusion is spelled with an A, A-L-L, and it comes from the word allude, like I'm going to allude to the fact that I did something else. Think of it that way, not the illusion that magicians do. So our term is allusion with an A. What an allusion is an author often make allusions to other works. The most popular work that the authors refer to is the Bible. They realize that their readers have a base of information that they're familiar with, and they use things to help familiarize the reader with what they're trying to say, and try a connection between what they're trying to say and what some other famous work might say. Other allusions could be to other famous works. Edgar Allan Poe gets alluded to a lot. Ernest Hemingway gets some allusions. And it's a tool that a lot of these writers, specifically on who write our AP passages, use. They allude to other works to remind their reader or put the reader in a certain mindset about what they're trying to say. Biblical allusions are the most popular, remember. Let's look at an AP question now. As you can see, our question is the same from last night. It comes from the same passage, which is by Margaret Atwood, called The Origins of Stories. From all these scraps of voices, from the whispers and shouts that surround us, even from ominous silences, the unfilled gaps in meaning, we patch together for ourselves an order of events, a plot or plots. These then are the things that happen. These are the people they happen to. This is the forbidden knowledge. The question then reads, the phrase forbidden knowledge in the last sentence of the second paragraph can be best categorized as A, a paradox, B, a biblical allusion, C, hyperbole, D, antithesis, or E, understatement. Okay, so once you know what an allusion is, this question again becomes really easy, and the answer is biblical allusion, which is B. So hopefully you all got that right. I'm sure you did. But let's talk about that a little bit. Why is the term forbidden knowledge a biblical allusion? It refers to the story of Adam and Eve in the Bible. To be able to catch some of these biblical allusions, you might need to be somewhat familiar with the Bible. But most of the questions you should be able to piece together, even if you're not really familiar, even if you snoozed a little bit in Sunday school class. I think you could still probably pick them out. So watch for those allusions when authors say things in the words, famous words of another author, allude to another famous work, and really get their reader in a certain mindset by appealing to something that's familiar with them. Allusions. Thanks. Have a good night.